This is an affiliate. We'll call him Mike. This is a company. And this is a consumer. Mike needs to make more money. The company needs to sell more products to consumers. And to get help selling more products, the company brings on Mike as an affiliate. The company will pay Mike a commission for every sale he makes. Basically, Mike is the middleman between the company and consumers. Mike works independently as an affiliate, so he has no boss. He's basically his own boss. Or maybe he is a boss because he has no boss. So what is Mike's job as an affiliate? It's simple. Find consumers, and here's the key, who are interested in the company's product. Then Mike will tell them about the product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. No, he'll tell them the benefits of having this product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. No, he'll tell them the consequences of not using the product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. No, he'll show them results of other people who've benefited from the product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. Yes, the consumer made a purchase they're happy with, the company has a new customer, Mike made affiliate commissions, and Mike still has no boss. Want to be like Mike and start your own affiliate business? Click the link on this video or in the description below for a free affiliate training to learn how.